Okay, so what I want to talk to you about today is using black and white to modify your colors. So here I have some Cad Yellow and some Cad Yellow Deep. And what I've done is I've got the pure pigment here in these two places, and then I've added white to each line. So this is moving down towards black. So I've added a tiny bit of black and then white to that, little bit. So then wash that off, little more black, added white, wash that out, little more black, added white, and kept going right until, now I don't have a pure black to compare this to, but you would see if I did, you wouldn't get this yellowy, greeny kind of gray color if I did. This is Cad Yellow Deep, which has much more red in it. And you can see that we're getting into browns as opposed to into greens when I did the exact same thing. And I want to show you, I also made some mixes with Payne's Gray just to see what kind of things I could get. And so I have the exact same run idea, but these colors here, I did these not back to back, so I have to flip them over for you. But you can see the difference between the black, pure black, and the difference with the Payne's Gray. So the Payne's Gray is neutralizing these things, but it's not making them so gray. I mean, they're beautiful colors, so I wouldn't just do one or the other maybe, but maybe combining those two things. To me, this is a little more lively while they're still neutral, as are these. You can see the difference here. Now this one I ran this way and this one I ran this way, so you'll just have to imagine them upside down. But I want to show you the process of doing this. And this is very handy for any kind of palette that you might want to create. So if you picked something for a yellow, a red, and a blue, for example, you could do this with all of those colors, run each color with black, and then run each color with each other, and then mix them towards black. Okay, so I'm going to just turn this off for a moment while I get myself set up, and I'm going to mix a complementary run with black and white and show you how to do that.